We must be the change that we want to see in our nation.
A very happy Republic Day to all. Today, I, Payal Kansal of Class 12D, am feeling very proud to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion on the topic Essence of Democracy and its application to the real life as a citizen. So, what does democracy mean? A liberal democracy is one in which people's power is supreme, people are sovereign, and they themselves elect and organize their government, which is popularly elected representative and continuously responsible and accountable to the people. In democracy, people are free to express their views. People have the right to form voluntary associations to pursue their interests. The Constitution of India guarantees and grants 6 fundamental rights to all the citizens of India. 6 fundamental rights are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Our Constitution is securing 4 of its basic objectives through democracy, that are justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. In democracy, if every individual takes the law in his own hand, then there will be anarchy, that is, the absence of social laws or state, which is the way to destruction of liberty. Democracy comes naturally to him who is habituated to obey all laws selflessly. He should always think and act in accordance to the democracy so as not to hurt or exploit others. As a citizen of India, we should always follow some fundamental rights, like the first and foremost duty of every citizen is to use the right to vote given to the people who are eligible to vote, to respect our constitution, our national flag, and our national anthem, to protect our sovereignty, unity, and integrity, to safeguard our public properties. Like us, many other countries also follow democracy, for example, UK, USA, France, Japan, Australia, Canada, and many more. But India is the largest and successful democracy in the world. Liberal democracy is the best form of governance because no rule is better than self rule. No system is better than a representative, responsible, responsive, and accountable system of governance. So, at last, I would like to say that I am proud to be a citizen of independent and democratic India. Thank you.